Made in China, no? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Okay, what's your decision on the raising of the building heights here in D.C.?
I have a mixed feeling, but I believe, the 1910 Act for the building restriction has some advantage. The advantage is to reduce the density of the big city. It's a more livable city. However, I don't agree with uniformly with the 110 Act. I think some of the part of city should be up, and there should be more height, and there should be select a different type, the area to regulate different building height, because the uniform building height is make the whole city like square building, square city. There's no interest, very regimental, it's too conservative.
Well, you designed the Chinatown Arch, which was installed in the late 80s. Was that to try to open up the vocabulary for the design of downtown in some ways?
Yes, I think a place like the center of the city should be more density, and I don't agree with everywhere is the same density, with the 1810 Act. So this is make the city no focusing, no center point, and the whole city is monotonous. So I really believe is we should revisit this 1910 Act, the High Restriction Act. We try to do more creative planning. Some place should be taller.
But that's the Capitol, and that's the monument. That's the whole intention of it.
Intention, but you can around the Capitol, maybe around the mall should be lower density to respect the Capitol. But further away, periphery of the city should be built up. Just like Arlington, they have 35-story high. It doesn't really bother anybody with a 35-story high around the periphery of the city. So therefore, the Washington D.C. has a problem right now is because they don't have enough residents, they cannot generate enough income, and to make the city budgets more better, so for the city, can do more creative planning and more interesting place for a city to visit.
So in the interest of raising revenues that could be used for infrastructure or for programs, et cetera, you would be in favor of increasing the height of buildings around maybe metro and commercial areas in the periphery, like say, for instance, Woodley Park or Cleveland Park or Van Ness?
Right. I think that should be that way, because you should create called urban note, and also you should create things like the places special transportation node area should be a higher density or higher the building height. So I think this should be modified. I don't believe it should be uniform all through the city.
Okay.